This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us! Topsy and Tim! Mummy and Dad are going out. Come on! New babysitter. Where are you going, Mummy?
To a restaurant, Topsy.
Please, can I come? I'll wear my fairy dress.
Oh, not tonight, Topsy. Anyway, it's a special night for you two, remember?
Oh, yes! Tim and I are swapping bunk beds tonight. Tim's sleeping on the top and I'm sleeping on the bottom bunk for the first time. Mummy! Dad! Look at me! I'm on the bottom bunk!
That will be your babysitter.
I'll go. Tim! It's our babysitter!
Careful, Topsy!
I'll get to the door before you.
Who could this be? Hello!
Mr. Fishwick.
Hi, Danielle, come in.
Hello, Mr.
Topsy and Tim.
Fishwick.
Hello. Here we are, Danny. Don't forget your stuff.
Mr. Fishwick lives next door. His granddaughter, Danielle, is babysitting for us tonight for the first time.
Oh, lovely.
I'll do that.
It's fantastic, thank you.
Do you like babysitting, Danielle?
I love babysitting Topsy and Tim.
Danielle has done lots of babysitting before, so she'll look after you. Thank you for babysitting for us. Hi, Mr. Fishwick.
Hello there, Joy. Right, I'll be off. See you later, Danny.
Bye, Grandad.
Bye.
Bye! Bye! I don't want to go to sleep until you're back, Mummy.
Oh, Topsy, please go to sleep as usual for Danielle.
Will you come and see us on our new bunk beds when you get back, Mummy?
Of course I will, Tim. Oh. Danielle, the twins are swapping bunk beds tonight.
Exciting.
I'm in the top and I'm on the bottom!
Wow.
Now, be good, you two. You've got our number if you need anything, haven't you?
Yeah, we'll be fine.
Okay. See you later.
Night, night. Be good.
Night-night.
I won't go to sleep until you get back, Mummy. Don't forget I'm on the top bunk.
Okay.
Bye! I like your slippers, Danielle.
Oh, thank you.
They're funny.
These are my favourite. Look at that. OK, up to bed for you two.
We usually have a milky drink before we go to bed. And a biscuit.
Oh, well, come on then, help me find the milk and biscuits.
Wait, friend. Here's the milk in the fridge. Danielle is nice. She lets Topsy wear her funny slippers.
Up to bed, I think. Someone looks tired.
Not yet. Sometimes Mummy lets us play on the computer before we go to bed, Danielle.
Really? Well, I don't think I should put the computer on, but I have got my tablet in my bag. I'll have a look.
Topsy, I want to go to bed soon. I want to get on the top bunk. I know, but I want to stay awake until Mummy and Dad get home. Okay. Does your tablet have games?
It has games and stories, and sometimes I use it for my French homework.
What's French?
French is the language they speak in a country called France. French people say bonjour to say hello and bonne nuit to say goodnight. Up to bed, sleepyheads. Come on, bonne nuit.
Bonjour.
Bonne nuit.
I I don't think I can get up the stairs in the slippers.
Oh dear.
We brush our teeth until Danielle says stop.
Stop. And have a nice rinse. There we go. Lots of water. Well done. There we go, Tim.
Went on my nose.
Oh dear.
It's a little bit wet. Your top's all wet, Sim.
I think you need dry pyjamas, Tim. Come on, let's go find some.
I think they're in the wardrobe. Danielle can't find any of my dry pyjamas. So Tim has to wear a pyjama top of mine.
Okay. Who can get into bed the fastest?
Me!
Here we go. Come on, Tim.
I won. No, I won.
I think it was a draw.
It's funny being up here and down here. Can we have a story, please, Danielle?
I'd love to. I've got a great one on my tablet. Ready? Listen. Once upon a time, there was a princess. She lived with her mummy the queen, her daddy the king, and her many, many pets. And the prince and the princess got married and lived happily ever after. Bonne nuit, Topsy and Tim. Remember, that's good night in French.
Bonne nuit, Danielle.
Bonne nuit, Topsy.
Can we have a night light on, please?
Of course you can, Tim. Bonne nuit.
Thank you.
Sleep tight, Topsy and Tim.
Tim, are you still awake? Yes. Are you? Yes, I'm staying awake for Mummy. Do you think Mummy and Daddy are nearly home now?
Wake up, sleepy twins.
In the morning,
Wake up, Topsy.
Mummy thought I was Topsy. I'm not Topsy. I'm Tim.
Oh,
Remember, we swapped bunk beds. I'm on the top now.
why are you wearing Topsy's pink pyjama top?
Oh, Danielle couldn't find one of mine. My pyjama top got wet. Hello, Mummy.
Hello. Did you enjoy swapping bunk beds?
Yes. Yes. Bonjour, Mummy. Bonjour, Mummy.
Bonjour. You speak French now, do you?
Bonjour means hello, Danielle told us.
Oh.
Can Danielle babysit again for us, please, Mummy? And that's what Mummy said. Really nice. Yes. Danielle said she would be happy to babysit for you two anytime.
Yes, Danielle said she would be happy to babysit for you two anytime, Topsy and Tim.
Yes!
Time to get dressed, twins.
And that, said Mummy, was that.
This one. Or
I
maybe,
like this one.
maybe not that one, maybe this one. What do you
Yes,
think?
yes! This one.
That one.
Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, Topsy and I swapped bunk beds. But can you remember who slept on the top bunk? Was it Topsy? Or was it Tim? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is Tim. Watch this. Tim, are you still awake? Yes. Are you? Yes, I'm staying awake for Mummy. Mummy and Daddy are nearly home now.
Wake up, sleepy twins.
In the morning,
Wake up, Topsy.
Mummy thought I was Topsy. I'm not Topsy. I'm Tim.
Oh.
Remember, we swapped bunk beds. I'm on the top now. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon. We can play